Hi, my name's Alex Carlucci with Gustin Cho Associates. I want to talk to you about documents that are required for a home loan so you don't feel like, why are these people asking for all these documentations? But if you're a traditional loan, you're in a W-2 job and nothing really unique about your situation, to submit a loan, we usually get is 2 years W-2s. So right now it's 2022, so we'll ask for 2020 and 2021 W-2s. The most recent 30 days pay stubs, 2 months bank statements, all accounts, any account you're going to use for this transaction. So if you're going to write earnest money out of one account and put the down payment out of another account, we need both 2 months bank statements on both those accounts. A most recent quarterly 401k. So if you have a 401k, we want the quarterly statement. So right now we're in September, so the most recent quarterly statement would be March to June. So it would end in June. So we also need the terms of withdrawal if you're going to use funds out of that 401k for that 401k. When it comes to the bank statements, you need all pages, official statements. So we can't have printouts. So that's the same with the 401k. We need official statements. Copy of your ID. If you're buying a house, we'll need a purchase contract. If you're refinancing, we'll need a current mortgage statement and insurance information. And that should be it to submit a loan with a W-2 traditional borrower. Now, if you own a business, what's different instead of the W-2s is we'll need 2 years business tax returns, 2 years personal tax returns, and a profit and loss statement signed by you, created by you for the year to date. So right now we're in September, so January till to now, profit and loss statement signed by you. All the other things we need is the same stuff. And eventually you probably need a CPA letter down the road for the CPA to verify you've been self-employed for 2 years. So that's for a self-employed person. If you're 1099, we'll need 2 years 1099s, 2 years personal tax returns instead of the W-2s, but all the other stuff, the bank statements, the 401k, the ID, the purchase contract, or if you're refinancing, a mortgage statement and insurance documents. So if you're doing, like, let's say, a bank statement loan, which is not a QM loan, where there's no tax returns or W-2s, we're going to need 12 months basic business bank statements, or if you're doing a 24-month, we're doing a 24-month bank statement program, we'll need 24 months business bank statements. Now, we also do the personal bank statements. If you're using those, we'll need 12 months or 24 months of the personal bank statements. We'll need a CPA letter saying you've been self-employed for 2 years, possibly an expense letter from your CPA. That's a little more complicated. We don't always need that. We can always dumb it down to 50% expense ratio on your bank statements. And what that means is your average deposits are 20 grand a month over the last 12 months. We'll use 10 grand a month for income automatically. If we want to boost that income up, we'll get an expense letter from your CPA saying your expenses are 30%. Then we'll use 70% of your deposits instead of 50%. So if you understand that, again, average deposits over 12 months is $20,000 a month. We'll automatically use 50% of that, so that's $10,000 a month. If we want to boost up more income, you have to get a CPA letter. And then we need the same things, the bank statements, the 401ks, and a copy of the ID, and a purchase contract if it's purchase, or if it's a refinance, a mortgage statement, and a insurance agent's information. So those are basically the general ideas that we need: W-2, self-employed, 1099, and bank statement loans. There's other products out there. I don't want to get into the complication of things, but those are the documents we need to start the loan process. During the underwriting process, there's going to be a lot more stuff that they're going to ask for. So everybody's different. I tell people that a loan is like a fingerprint. There's not one loan that's like the other loan. So you just have to wait for the underwriter review and see what they want to ask you. And it's a wide range of things. Ask what a deposit is in your bank. Ask what this deposit in the bank statement looks like cash. We got to back it out. Or there's job gap stories, or there's rent issues. You can't verify rent for a couple months because you live somewhere unique, so that it gets into a whole other complication thing. So you never know what they're going to ask for. So we can't predict every file in the beginning of everything they're going to ask for. We can only tell you what we need in the beginning. So refer back to my video if you ever want to know what you need to get together. So if you're starting to look for a loan, you have everything organized for the loan officer. Got any questions, call me anytime. My phone number is 630-915-7550. Call me anytime, and thank you very much.